Yippee! Huge congrats MRJDK1, I'm super proud of you. Graduation is such a huge milestone. What are your plans after college? Grok likes me. Well, he's got a funny way of showing it. Sorry, I just wanted to fill the silence with something. Don't feel pressured to awkwardly laugh or anything. Sorry, I just love that one. It feels so apt for most streams of mine. There you go. Vitel's favorite sound is the groan tube. What a weirdo. Riz loaded.
Okay, I've got another joke for you. You ready?
I'm ready, Freddy.
Why should you never make too many cookies at once? It's too big of a risk.
Haha, oh my god, you're right, that is a huge risk.
I got you! You said haha! Let's go!
And oh, I'm gonna lose my stream key.
Okay, now I get your stream key. Okay, I'm ready. What is it?
I'm sorry, what was that about a deal?
Don't shoot! Don't shoot! No one! Don't shoot!
Well, that takes care of that. Chat, should I have shot her?